Hola, ¿qué tal? We've got a sports reading task here. So let's have a look at the instructions. Lee el texto, read the text, y contesta a las preguntas en inglés, and answer the questions in English. So you can see the text here, you can see the 6 questions, so feel free to pause the video here while you have a look at the responses to those questions. Muy bien. Okay, so rather than me just talking through the answers, let's look at the text so you can understand every word in it. And I'll read the Spanish phrase and then pause and then read the English phrase, partly so you can check your answers, but also so you can read on the video and use it for pronunciation practice and practice for translation into English. Vamos. Soy adicta al deporte. I am addicted to sport. Hago judo 3 veces a la semana. I do judo 3 times a week. Y juego al baloncesto todos los días. And I play basketball every day. También hago otros deportes. Also, I do other sports cuando tengo tiempo. When I have time. Por ejemplo, ayer jugué un partido de pádel. For example, yesterday I played a match of paddle. Paddle is a racket sport that's very popular in Spain and South America. Sin embargo, nunca juego al golf. However, I never play golf. Porque es aburrido. Because it's boring. En septiembre hice un triatlón en Mallorca. In September, I did a triathlon in Mallorca. Primero nadé 2 kilómetros en el mar. First, I swam 2 kilometers in the sea. ¡Qué frío! How cold. Luego monté en bici. Then I rode my bike durante 2 horas. For 2 hours. I'd probably say I cycled actually rather than I rode my bike since it's a competition. Y finalmente corrí 21 kilómetros por la playa. And finally, I ran 21 kilometers along the beach. No gané, pero fue flipante. I didn't win, but it was awesome. Muy bien. So hopefully you've been able to identify the correct answers to the questions. Which sport does she do most often? We can see there's reference to todos los días, every day, baloncesto, basketball. Which sport does she find boring? We've got aburrido, boring. Golf. What does she do on the beach? She mentions corrí por la playa. Por la playa is along the beach. So corrí, I ran. So she was running, or part of the triathlon, running. What did she do yesterday? Ayer is yesterday. So she played paddle. What does she do for 2 hours? So we've got 2 horas, mention of 2 horas here, 2 horas, and that was cycling, monté en bici durante 2 horas, so she cycled. And what does she do for 2 kilometers? So 2 kilómetros here was nadé, 2 kilómetros, so she swam for 2 kilometers. Muy bien. So remember, you can rewind the video to practice your pronunciation and your translation into English. Hasta luego.